Hello friends, my name is Varshka and today we are going to make something new. As you know, Diwali is coming, we every time think what to give to our neighbors, our relatives, and we are totally confused to what to do. So this time I am making a so special thing that your relatives will surely like it, and it's like puppet which you will surely like it. So let me show you what is it. See, can you see this? It was so amazing. When closed, it was down, and when it opened, it came up. It was so interesting. And even you can put gifts for your relatives and give it. And it is so small that you can keep it anywhere and give it to your neighbor. So we are going to make this today. So let's start making this. For this, you need black permanent marker, some colors, white color, two white color strips, white color sheet, pink color ribbon. This is special type of printed sheet which you can get in any ordinary shop. Fevicol. So let's start making this. First you need to take your sheet, pencil and scale. Mark 11 centimeter. We need to make a square of 11 centimeter. See, I have marked. Now we need to mark here 2.7 centimeter. See, I made this. Now you need to cut it out. Now you need to keep this aside. Now you need to draw a square of 8.4 centimeter. Inside you need to draw 1.4 centimeter. Now you need to cut this also. Can you see this square? You need to cut only one side over here. Of two sides, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now you need to fold all these on these all lines. Now you need to take your another piece. In this also you need to do the same. Now you need to take these two parts, put this in between, put a sellotape. See, like this. And then with the help of a Fevicol, you need to paste this. Now you need to do the same with the other side. We are putting this sellotape because this paper doesn't get stick so easily. After some time we can remove it. Do the same with your smaller piece. So now we are done with it. See, this can become the cap of this. Our sample box is made. Just we need to do is that pop up. So let's make that. Keep this aside. Take your both the strips. Put Fevicol on one end of a strip. Now which strip is on, overlap the other strip like this. Leave this over here. Cut the extra part. You will see this kind of shape you have got. Now keep this aside. You need to take your sheet. I have chosen these all colors from I am making a diya type shape, so that I can write in that Happy Diwali. I have made. Now you need to underline with your black permanent marker so that it looks nice. Now inside this diya, we are going to write Happy Diwali. See, like this. Now you need to cut it. See, I've cut this. Is it looking nice? It must be looking. Now you need to stick this over here, like this. In center. Like this. Now you need to take your box. you need to paste this inside over here. Like this. Like this you need to paste it. Now you need to take your cap, ribbon. We will now decorate the cap so that it looks like attractive, and whom you are giving would like to open it a lot. See, like this you need to decorate it. Now you can put any gift inside this. Stretch it a little and then close this box. Now you will see what will happen. See, isn't it looking nice? It is pop-up in 3D. Whom you will give will surely like it. I would think you would try this off with your friends, families, and would like to take off new colors and make this more attractive than me. So please like, share and subscribe my channel, and also click on the bell icon for more updates of my video. Thank you.